3, 2, 1.
Maraming beses na kitang nilayasan, iniwanan at ibang pinuntahan. Parang babaeng ang hirap talagang malimutan. Ikaw lamang ang aking laging pinabalikan. Can you sing with me? Manila, I keep coming back to Manila. Simply no place like Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. I walk the streets of San Francisco. I try to rise in this land. Hit a million girls in Sydney. Some are real, don't belong. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ilay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mo'y nagliliparan. Mga babae mo nagkakandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let it go. Promise me you'll never let it go. Manila, Manila, I'm coming back to Manila. Simply no Manila, Manila. Manila, I'm coming home. Oh, sayo-sayo naman dyan, no? Alam, kemot ng konti dyan. Pwede. Everybody sing, come on. Hinahanap kita Manila. Ang ingay mo kay sarap sa tenga. Mga jeepney mo nagliliparan. Mga babae mo nagkagandahan. Take me back in your arms, Manila. Promise me you'll never let it go. Promise me you'll never let it go. Manila, Manila, miss you like hell, Manila. No place in the world like Manila. I'm coming home to stay.
Good morning. I think this is going to be the luckiest celebration of Taste of Manila, their 6th year. For the first time, I think, rains fell. Inulan po siya. So, it will mean more years of Taste of Manila. More years of entertainment, food, and fun for all of us. And thank you to Mr. Romy Marquez for visiting us here at our temporary office, the iRemit offices. Thank you to Ms. Bel Herrera for accommodating all of us here. I'm with at least 7 members of the consulate team. Land Bank of the Philippines, Feli Rosales, SSS, and Pag-ibig representatives are here also in case you need any transactions to be completed today. Maraming salamat po.
So yung ulan is a good omen?
Yes, I think so. But activities on stage, the parade, also, both have been moved to around noon time. I think that means less rains around that time, so that festivities will continue.
So pwede ba makilala yung mga kasama nyo?
Opo.
Conjen?
Bernie lang po. Sa kanan ko po, si Cecil, our cultural officer, indefatigable, of course. And then Marlene, she's in charge of the passport section. And Jane is also assisting the legalization section. Sana po i-welcome natin po silang lahat dito sa Toronto so they can do their jobs well.
Ito na yung welcome sa kanila. Malaking piyesta, di ba?
Big celebration. Big celebration.
Yeah, okay. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Ano ba yung Taste of Manila? Asan?
Ang mani ng buhay.
Hi! I'm from Salisbury. Ang masasabi ko, parang sa Pinas din po ako. So it's good. Keep it up. Thank you!
Is this your first time here?
Yeah, it's my first time po.
And what do you find?
Food na hindi ko pumahanap sa Salisbury. Like, isaw po or balot, yung mga ganito.
Okay.
Thank you!
First time here, we're from Kingston, and it's the best. Thank you.
Okay, so how do you find the food?
Delicious.
And?
Very good. And my favorite is what my wife's eating. Intestines. What is it?
Isaw.
Isaw.
So what brings you here?
Manila. Taste of Manila.
Have you been to the capital in Manila?
No.
No? So this is the closest that you can be.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks. Sorry.
Yeah. What do you see in Taste of Manila?
Oh, it's nice. I feel like I'm home.
Really?
Yeah.
Is this your first time or you've been here before?
No, I've been here before. So I like coming here all the time so that I feel like I went to the Philippines.
Oh, okay. So you feel like you're in the Philippines?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Sino gusto
what is your impression of Taste of Manila?
So many Filipinos living here. Today I'm first time I'm trying to taste of Filipino food. So I don't know, but I'm trying enjoy all together.
Okay. So how do you find Filipino food?
Just in the early morning, I wake up. I'm checking today. Toronto is festival. I'm checking Manila in a festival here. My home not far, so I'm thinking of breakfast or lunch. I'm looking for here.
Okay. All right. Thank you.